Once again, we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Amazon's site. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Let's explore these game-changing kitchen tools together. This is a dusting wand designed for turning and lifting vegetables, making it a handy tool for cooking, tossing, and transferring food. Its tongs lock closed for easy storage and feature sturdy brushed stainless steel construction for durability. The scalloped edges securely hold food, while the soft, comfortable, non-slip grips and thumb rests ensure a firm, comfortable hold. This is the Dunk and Egg Yolk Separator, a playful kitchen gadget designed with a basketball net theme for separating egg yolks from whites. Not just for eggs, this tool is versatile and can also be used for tasks like making poached eggs, meringues, or even for portion control. It brings a fun touch to your kitchen while being practical for various cooking needs. This is a set of freezer molds designed to make meal prep easier. Made from food-safe silicone with a steel-reinforced top and a convenient lid, they are perfect for freezing soups, sauces, and broths in portion sizes that suit your needs. The flexible and durable silicone construction ensures the molds are long-lasting and versatile. This is a salad spinner that makes washing and drying fruits and veggies super quick and easy. With a 5-quart capacity, you can prep larger batches in no time. The non-skid base keeps it stable during use, and the clear bowl can even double as a serving dish. You can add or drain water without taking off the lid, making it even more convenient. Plus, it's built to last with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. This quirky fridge deodorizer is not just functional, it's fun too. Shaped like an adorable mushroom, it absorbs odors with baking soda, keeping your fridge smelling fresh. It's easy to set up. Just add the baking soda, place it in the fridge, and let it do the work. Plus, it's made from safe, food-grade materials and is dishwasher-friendly. If you're looking for a cute and practical way to tackle kitchen odors, this little gadget is a great pick. This is a pizza cutter wheel designed for effortless slicing. Its stable vertical pressure and large cutting wheel make it easy to get a clean, controlled cut through your pizza. The unique design fits comfortably in your hand, ensuring a smooth cutting experience. When not in use, the protective blade guard keeps the cutter safely stored away. This is a herb keeper that helps keep herbs fresh by maintaining the right balance of hydration and humidity. The basket promotes 360 degrees air circulation, while the lid keeps moisture in to preserve freshness. The hinged basket opens wide for easy access and protects delicate herbs like basil, parsley, and cilantro. A handle makes it easy to lift the basket in and out, and adding water to the bottom ensures your herbs stay hydrated. If you're looking for a safer, more durable popcorn popper, silicone is a great alternative to glass. Unlike fragile glass poppers, silicone ones are break-resistant and safer for handling, especially for families with kids. The Popco popcorn popper evenly distributes heat for perfectly popped kernels with minimal effort. Just add your kernels, oil, and seasonings, then pop it in the microwave. You can find all the product links mentioned in this video down in the description box below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with all our future content.